Hi guys, welcome back. So, in this video, I will show a little bit more about Aruba. It's just a wonderful island, beautiful views, blue beaches, it's amazing. And accessibility isn't great, but also not bad at all. So, here's some more. I love the Wilhelmina Park. It's just this nice spot next to the Renaissance Market. And next to the Renaissance Market, there's the Renaissance Hotel. So everything is so close by in that area. It's great to start from there and just explore the area.
We are here at Wilhelmina Park. It's in Oranjestad and it's called of the Queen of the Netherlands, Wilhelmina Park.
Previous queen, it's not a queen anymore. Okay, so
It's very accessible.
What time is it?
It's 2:30.
Okay, so it's like midst of the day.
Yes,
It's hot, but it's windy, so it's pretty doable.
very accessible.
We just had like vegan lunch, and now we're going to head home. Just a quick round in this little beautiful park. Yes, I know it. Refreshing. Don't forget to also explore the other parts of the island. If you love street art, this is the place to go. San Nicolas has it all, like walls with art, and on every corner there's like a nice surprise with these colorful houses and colorful art pieces. I do really like it. Like I said before, it's very convenient if you take like an extra mobility device to just roll faster, like a freewheel or something that can take you off-road. The sun is shining.
Let's go off road. Boom, gepeld. Good pot.
So today we are going on a road trip. We rented this car with air conditioning and we're just going off-road and see some nature, go along the cliffs, and let's see what Aruba has to offer. There are many places on Aruba where you can rent a car, and especially Jeeps, you see them a lot. So mostly the tourists, they drive these nice Jeeps which you can rent and just explore the island. So we did that for one day and we went like to take on the national park. I was hoping it would be a little bit more accessible because there were many places they were just not worth it to get out in the heat of the sun and then just roll around. Well, it's a rocky road, let's put it that way. So for me it was mostly I could enjoy it, but from within the car. And in this park you have these amazing views, these incredible places, but it's just a lot more, well, it's just better when you can walk. Bumps in the road, man. A lot of bumps, man. Okay, as you can see, this is not very accessible. So we're just gonna skip this one. Right?
Alright, it's a beautiful cave. I'm not going very far because I'm claustrophobic. Very accessible.
that, Mitch.
But we can try.
It's pretty up here. It's not very wheelchair accessible, but from here it's also pretty awesome. Okay, so that was part 1. Wheelchair back into the car. Mitchell was another workout today. Luckily, I've brought the small wheelchair. It's not that heavy, but it's still too hot. And now we continue.
Okay, that was not accessible.
Our journey towards hopefully more accessible place. No, it's not accessible at all. I'm very afraid my wheels, my tires will not last in this. Have to be careful. But let's go. This road is not for all cars. At some point we just stopped because my back was hurting so much. Even in the car, it was just like a lot of hills, a lot of rocky roads. And best pizza since 1990.
Ik ben geboren.
That's the same year we were born. And they have a wheelchair accessible ramp. Nice.
Kind of wat is het?
Puerto Rico.
I have more videos about Aruba, but I think this is it for now because, guys, as I'm working on it to edit my videos, which I do myself, I'm longing back for, well, more sun. And I hope you guys are all doing great. If you like the video, let me know, thumbs up and all that. If you have subjects that you would like me to share with you, please just send me a message on Instagram or Facebook or leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching.